We at the auction. There she is. I don't know, folks.
It's 25 down, 25 down, 25 down, 25 down, 25 down, 25. All in the down here, 25 down, 22 down, 25 down, 25 down, 22.5. You said 22.5, now 3. 23. Now 3. 22.5 now, 3. Got it. 5. You get another down, $80 now. 32 pounds, 185.
You asked all. 150? Sold it. 125 your way.
What's your number? Okay.
So
3, 6.
hey, what up? What up? We been a pop on something out here, huh? We owning this auction, baby. We own it. Steve Cermak, y'all don't forget it, y'all know.
20, 110, 20, 20, my man, 20, 120, now 130, out here. 335 a mile on the cart right here with a bill boost for you to get it out.
We've never heard it run.
We've never heard it run. How do you get a lot number? 80. Lot number 80. Lot number
500.
Whoever.
Four-wheeler whip for 500. All right, that's gonna do it, folks. That's what I wanted to see. All right, well, that's gonna do it.
Yeah.
For the auction, Team Cermak, we owned it out here. Got her done. Peace.
That's cool.